Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is about how to construct a successful grant proposal. Scientists need to write a successful grant proposal in order to obtain the necessary budget for their research. However, since funding agencies are limited and they all apply strict rules, writing a successful grant proposal is becoming a painstaking task. In this video, some practical guidelines are provided which help researchers, especially young and novice researchers, on how to construct a successful grant proposal. First and foremost, you should have a novel research idea which is also achievable. It is obvious that you will never get to such an idea unless you become an expert in your field. Moreover, you will not become an expert in your field unless you read and comprehend all research papers relevant to your expertise. Secondly, although a novel idea which is obtainable through scrupulous review of literature is the most vital prerequisite of constructing a successful grant proposal, it is not sufficient. You should also know how to clearly and attractively articulate it. Since articulating your idea partially depends on the instruction of your target funding agency, it would necessary that you recognize all related funding agency related to your field. This recognition also helps you to submit your grant proposal to the most relevant agencies, so increasing the chance of its approval. Based on the instruction of the target funding agency, select a relevant and at the same time an attractive title. Then use the introduction section of your proposal to highlight the background, importance, and necessity of researching your topic. Be concise and focused as much as you can. Towards the end of this section, clearly state your aims. The next section of your proposal contains the review of relevant literature. Since funding agency might limit the number of literature that you should review, follow meticulously the instruction of your target funding agency. Based on the instructions, select the best of your literature and critically review them. The next section of the proposal contains your methods. I do believe that this section of your proposal performs as its heart. Your proposal would not survive with a flawed heart. Therefore, craft this section scrupulously. Give the details of your material and methods and make sure that this section of your proposal is as comprehensive as possible. Now it is time to ask for the proper budget for your proposal. Again, you should write this section meticulously by considering all your needs in terms of personal, equipment, materials, etc. Try to give your best real estimation. You might end crafting your research proposal by inserting your timetable schedule. Clearly explain in order who does what and how long it will take. This not only helps your reviewers to get a sense of your action plan, but also helps you to manage your plan successfully if your proposal is approved. As soon as you finish constructing your research proposal, prepare a brief but comprehensive and well written abstract for it. Since grant reviewers begin their review by reading the abstract, you should write it elegantly to impose a positive impact. Before submitting your grant proposal to your target funding agency, ask one of your experienced friends or colleagues to critically review it for you. His or her comments would help you to make any necessary changes before submission. All the above guidelines will help you to write a successful grant proposal. However, if your proposal is rejected by your target funding agency, do not give up. Read carefully the reasons of your reviewers on why your proposal has been rejected. In the next step, revise your proposal based on their comments and resubmit it to another relevant funding agency. Thank you.